When you're working with CloudTruth and CI/CD, you might be using GitHub Actions. Now, GitHub Actions is becoming increasingly popular, primarily because there's a ton of application and infrastructure code sitting in GitHub, and because GitHub Actions is kind of sort of just built in there, makes sense. Now, if you are using GitHub Actions, CloudTruth does have an action called CloudTruth configure. So as you can see, the action allows you to extract the configuration and secrets from a project, scope to an environment, and put them into your GitHub Actions workflow. Now, one prerequisite here that you will need is a way to access your CloudTruth environment. So in this case, I've set up a GitHub secret for Actions. I called it CloudTruth, and what it has is it contains my API token from CloudTruth. Now, what I'll do here is under GitHub Actions, I'm going to click on Set up a workflow yourself. I am literally going to delete all of this, and then I'm going to put in my workflow here. So what this action is doing is I'm running it on a workflow dispatch. So I'm going to manually click a button and it's going to deploy my CI/CD pipeline. I'm going to check out the code on line 12. And then on line 14, I'm going to configure the CloudTruth action. And the way that I'm going to do that is I'm going to pass in my API key right on line 18. I'm going to pass in the project that I want to pull secrets from. In this case, it's my customized project. And then for my environment, I can change this to anything I'd like, dev, staging, prod, but in this case, I'll keep it as the default. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start my commit. I'm going to commit my new file. And let's go ahead and run this action just to confirm that it actually works. So let's confirm that this action can in fact connect to CloudTruth. That way we can start pulling secrets for other environments. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to click on the workflow and I'm going to click on run workflow. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to give this a few minutes here to start up. All right, let's click on this action. We'll click on build and then we'll go ahead and we'll wait for this to be completed. All right, and as we can see, it did complete successfully. If I click on the CloudTruth configure, we can see that the configuration was in fact successful. So now if I have any secrets to pull from this project, I can go ahead and do so right on my pipeline.